Alright, in this video we're going to go over related rates. Now, in order to understand related rates, you need to understand implicit differentiation, because that's basically what we're doing here, except we're doing it in respect to time. Because a rate is how much something changes in respect to time. So here, we are differentiating x to the fifth in respect to time. So it would be d over dt. So using our skills from implicit differentiation, we can conclude that this will be 5x to the fourth times dx dt. All right, let's do one example. So say we have 2x squared plus y squared equals z squared. And we are given the values of dx dt, which is going to be 3, dy dt, which is going to be 5, and we need to find dz dt when x equals 8 and y equals 5. All right. So here is everything we have. It's good to, during these problems, to list out everything you have. So first we're going to differentiate the equation. So here we have 3 variables. But we can actually find what z is, because we're not given z. So actually, before we differentiate the equation, we're going to plug in the values we have for x and y, and then solve for z. So let's do 2 times 8 squared plus 15 squared equals z squared. So if we multiply this out, 2 times 64 plus 15 squared, let me plug that in, 225 equals z squared. And 2 times 64 is just 128. So now we can do this math. It's going to be z squared equals 353. And if we take the square root of that, we just get like the square root of 353. So that we're just going to leave it like that. So now we have z. Okay. Now we can actually differentiate the equation. Okay, so let's do that. So d dt in parentheses 2x squared plus y squared equals z squared. So it's going to be 4x dx dt using our implicit differentiation rules plus y dy dt equals, or 2y, sorry, plus, or equals 2z dz dt. And now, since we have all these values except dz dt, we can plug everything in and solve for dz dt. So 4 times x, which is 8, times dx dt, which is 3, plus 2 times 15 times 5 equals 2 times square root of 353 times dz dt. So let me multiply all this out. Okay, so on the left we have a sum of 246 equals 2 times the square root of 353. dz dt. So now all we have to do is divide by both sides. Divide both sides by 2 times the square root of 353, and then we will get our answer. Alright, and dz dt should equal approximated answer of 6.55.